All right, I'm going to show you how you can do a scatter plot, okay, a graph only made out of points in Microsoft Excel. So what I did is I took the data set that is in my week, in my lecture notes for this week. You can see this example in there. The data set came in a table, but the table is horizontally. What I did is I took this table and I made it vertically. Okay, first column in the table is my first row, second column, second row, and so forth. Okay, remember that each of these dots, what you learn in your algebra class, each of these dots is made out of two numbers, a pair, an order pair, one number for X, one number for Y. So I made this table horizontally to vertically. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do in Excel, I'm going to highlight all my two columns of numbers, only the numbers, not the headings of the columns. On the top in Excel, you have tabs. Click where it says insert. You're going to have a toolbar, and one section of the toolbar says charts. And one of those charts is the scatter plot. So click on it. You have different type of scatter plots, but we're going to choose only the one that is made out of points. We do not connect the points. Okay, so choose that one. And what I'm going to do now is let me move this here. I'm going to minimize this graph so it fits in the section here on the screen. And here's the scatter plot. Usually when you do the scatter plot in Excel, you have the legend. So I'm going to click here where it says series 1, and in the keyboard you have the delete key. I delete it, and now you can see the whole scatter plot that looks very similar or almost exactly the same as the one you have in the lecture notes that I have in the lecture notes. And if you observe the dots, these points are organized or are resembling like a line, straight line. And this line is going up from left to right. So we say that this data set has a linear pattern, a linear correlation. All right. So I hope that made sense.